Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Avante. Always forward. Now this opens up the heart. It calms the mind. So in Chinese medicine, the heart houses the Shen. And in Chinese medicine, the Shen is the heart. And according to the Heart Math Institute, there's a direct link between the brain and the heart, specifically the right brain. Now, we have these signaling molecules in our heart called neurites. They're part of its own nervous system. In fact, the heart has a bigger energetic field than the brain itself. About 5,000 times bigger electromagnetically. And what they're finding now is under stress, the heart goes into what's known as incoherence. And so by doing tapping, we actually regulate the heart rate variability, which allows the heart and the brain to become in coherence. And that's why we have a huge reduction of stress responses inside our body.